Welcome to our tutorial on how to post a repair order to the accounting app. To begin, go to the navigation menu and select Service Repair Order. You can select an existing repair order or create a new one. Next, select the standard operation code related to the type of service and click Save to create a new job line. Labor charges will be automatically added depending on the selected standard operation code. Next, use the parts search to add parts to the job line. The status of the allocated parts must be changed to filled to be able to invoice and post the service repair order. Hover over the status and click on the part invoice number. Select the parts and click Fill. Enter the quantity filled and click Fill Lines. Next, go back to the repair order and click Update Line Status. Select the job line, change the status to Complete and click Update. Next, click Invoice and navigate to the Cashiering tab. Click Add. Select a payment method and amount. To be able to post the invoice, the amount entered must match the customer invoice total. Click Save. Now click Post. The last digits of the service repair order number will be used as the reference ID in the General Ledger. Go back to the accounting menu and click General Ledger Inquiry. Enter the repair order number as the reference ID and click Search. Here you can see all the journal entries related to the service repair order in detail. And that's how you process, invoice, and post a service repair order from the accounting app. Thanks for watching.